Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Hadianto Kurniawan and today we're gonna talk about an important moment for our country, our new president, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. So let's take a look closer what his leadership could do to Indonesia's future. I know many people have a mixed emotion about this. Maybe some other people will feel hopefully and excited, but for some other, they will feel anxious and a bit uncertain. It's normal to have a feeling like this, especially when it comes to our country future. One thing that we can say for sure is Mr. Prabowo have a lot of experience. He served in various leadership roles over the years, both in military and politics. This background could bring a strong sense of stability and structure in our new government. Additionally, Mr. Prabowo have expressed promising ideas about focusing on education, national security, and economics. If he able to bring his ideas to life, there could be a positive change for people across Indonesia. And of course, we all know every leader faces a challenge, and Mr. Prabowo is not an exception. Indonesia, such a diverse and vibrant country, with many voices, culture, and perspective, keeping us all united and moving forward is never easy. But as citizens, we each have a role to play too. So, as Mr. Prabowo step into this role, let's do our part as well. Stay hopeful, stay engaged, and let's work together for Indonesia brighter future. The question was, what are question words? Question words help gather specific information and are essential for effective communication. Why we use question word? Question words clarify detail, provide context, and improve understanding in conversation. The six key question words. The first one is who, the second one is what, the third one is where, the fourth one is when, the fifth one is why, the sixth one is how. Each designed to gather a specific type of information. The first one is who, used to refer to people involved in an action or in situation. Common who statement. Example, number one, who is the leader of the group? Second one, who wrote this book? Third one, who is in charge of this project? The second one is what, used to ask for information about object, action, or description. Using what in different ways. Example number one is for what kind of, for type or category. What kind of music do you like? The second one, what color, is for description. Example, what color is the car? The third one is what time, for a specific time. Example, what time is the meeting? The third one is where, used to ask about places or location. Using where in sentence. Example number one. Where does the story take place? The second example is, where is the nearest restaurant? The fourth one is when, used to gather information about times or event. Common when phrases. Example number one. When will the project be completed? The second example is, when is the deadline for the assignment? The fifth one is why, used to inquire about reason or motivation. Expanding why in context. Number one example, why learning is important. Second example, why did the character make that decision? The sixth one is how, used to describe process, method, or condition. Expanding how question. Example number one, how much is for quantities or cost. The example is, how much does it cost? The second one is how many. How many is for counting objects, like how many chapters are there. The third one is how long, for duration. Example is, how long is the movie? Summary of each question word. Is each question word help gather a specific type of information, guiding clear and effective communication. Who is for people, what is for information or object, where is for location, when is for time, why is for reason, and how is for method or quality. Tips to remember. Keep in mind the specification. Tips to remember. Keep in mind the specific information needed, like people, places, time, and other. Remember that what can apply broadly, so specifically when possible. How often require explanation of method or process. Tips to avoid confusion. Do not use when for places or location. Avoid using what when the word how describe the situation better. Mastering question word. By understanding each question word, communication becomes clearer and more effective. This tool allow us to get specific information and get helpful answer. I think that's it. Thank you.